Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amul's Academy. We were discussing about matplotlib package, and previously in this video series we saw how we can make a simple plot. For that we used 5 function of pyplot module, that is plot, xlabel, ylabel, title and show. We already discussed about plot function, xlabel and ylabel function in the previous tutorial. Next, we'll discuss about the title function. Title function allows us to set a name to the plot or axis, and the syntax of this function is we need to mention title. This function belongs to pyplot module, so we need to mention matplotlib.pyplot.title. Next, here first is label, font dict, LOC lock, pad and keyword arguments. Okay, so this is the syntax of title function. The first argument is label. It is a string value. Whatever the name you want to give to the plot, you need to mention here. For example, here we can see in the example we used plt.title. Plt is nothing but matplotlib.pyplot. And here we can see a string value, right? This is the label or the name given to the plot. If I execute this now, here we can see the name, right? First plot. So whatever the name or the string you'll mention here, that will be the name of the plot. And you should mention at least one argument, okay? If I didn't mention the label, it will give the error. So label is must. So the second argument is font dict. So it is a dictionary. This dictionary will control the appearance of the title text. That is nothing but we can change the size of the text or we can change the color of the text, etc. The default value is none. That is nothing but if we didn't mention any dictionary here, it will take the value as none. If value is none, it will take the default values. Whenever the matplotlib loads, it defines a runtime configuration called as RC, containing the default style for every plot element you create. There will be default set of value for every plot. If we didn't mention this dictionary, it will take that default value. For example, if I just mention the first plot, here I am not mentioning any dictionary to change the appearance of the text. Then if I execute this, here we can see the color of the text is black and here we can see a specific size, right? So this is the default value. If you want to change that, you can take a dictionary. We already discussed about this font dict dictionary in the previous tutorial while discussing about the xlabel and ylabel function. So this font dict argument of title function works same as font dict argument of xlabel and ylabel function. Here I can change the size. I can take a value 20, or if I want to change the color, I can mention color as blue. If I save this and execute it now, here we can see color of the text is changed as well as size of the text is changed. So you can change the appearance of the text using this font dict argument. So we already discussed about the font properties in the previous tutorial. You can watch that and you can change the properties of the title. Next argument is LOC or lock. The default value is none. It is a string value. So this argument will tell us where to place the title, whether you want to place it at center or left or right side. We can take lock as either left or right or center. Here we can see if I didn't mention this argument, it will take the value as none. That is nothing but it will take the default value of matplotlib. The default value for this argument is center. For example, here I didn't mention that argument, right? LOC. I didn't mention where to place the title. So by default, it will place that in the center. Here we can see it is in the center. If I want to change that, here I can take that. And if I mention left, here we can see it is in the left side. If you want, you can change it to right. Here we can see. So the next argument is pad. The assigned value is none. It is a float value. It allows us to change the distance of the title from the top of the axis. So if it is none, that is nothing but if I didn't mention any value, it will take none. That means it will take the default value, that is 6.0. For example, if I mention it as 20, here we can see the title, right? See, the distance from this top of the axis and the text is more now. If I didn't mention that argument, here we can see the distance from this top of the axis and text is less. If I change that to 12, if I execute that, here we can see it has more distance now. Here we can see the distance now. So next argument is keyword argument. So keyword argument allows us to change the text properties of the title text. That is nothing but we can change the size or color or the font style of the text. So we can change the text appearance using either font dict argument or keyword argument. So we can do the changes using both these argument. So I'll show you here. Instead of taking it in a dictionary, I can take keyword argument. Like I can check size as 40, color as red, here we can see because of this pad we can't see that properly. If I remove that, here we can see. So we can change the text properties using either font dict argument or keyword argument. But if you use both, then keyword argument has more priority. For example, here we can see keyword argument. Also, I'll take dictionary to change the color of the text. So here we can see we are changing the color in the font dict argument as well as using the keyword argument. If I save this and execute this now, here we can see it will take the color as red. It will change the color to red because keyword argument has more priority than the font dict argument. Okay, so here we already discussed about the font properties or the text properties in the previous tutorial. So you can use those properties here also. And next, here we can see the default value is none for the arguments. For example, font dict equal to none, lock equal to none, pad equal to none. So when the argument value is none, it will take the default value of the matplotlib package. Okay, so this is about the title function. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.